Everybody, how's it going? Today's math assignment, complete Go Math pages 25 through 42. Complete Jumpstart pages 9 through 14. I leave that optional. No pressure to finish that at all. If you can't get to it, no worries. If you can, great. What I'd like to see you guys get to is Go Math pages 44 through 48, lesson 1.6. And after the completion of this segment here, we'll be going right into the instructional information on regards to lesson 1.6 and explaining how to do pages 44 through 48. All right. Enjoy the lesson and have fun.
Why can you add add-ins in any order?
Sam and I have spent the morning gathering acorns. How many did each of us find? Click the acorn to help us count. Let's see. I have 1, 2, 3 acorns. And Sam has 1, 2, 3, 4 acorns. So together we have 3 plus 4 acorns. Or is it 4 plus 3 acorns? Wait, does the order of the add-ins matter? Maybe we should look into this. Come on, let's get some help.
We can use connecting cubes to show 4 plus 1. Let's start by showing the number 4 as connecting cubes. 4 connecting cubes are needed to model the number 4. Next, let's model the 1. 1 blue connecting cube is needed to model the number 1. Now we'll find the sum. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. We can also use this same connecting cubes to show 1 plus 4. This time, start by showing the number 1 as connecting cubes. 1 blue connecting cube in the first problem is the same as 1 blue connecting cube in the second problem. They are both used to show 1. Next, we'll show the number 4 as connecting cubes. 4 red connecting cubes in the first problem is the same as 4 red connecting cubes. In the second problem, they are both used to show 4. What is the sum? 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. How is 4 plus 1 is equal to 5? The same as 1 plus 4 is equal to 5? Let's find out. The parts are the same. Also, the sum stays the same. How is 4 plus 1 is equal to 5 different from 1 plus 4 is equal to 5? Let's find out. The parts are in a different order. Let's describe sets of connecting cubes. In the first set, you have 2 red connecting cubes and 4 blue connecting cubes. You have 6 cubes in all. This shows 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. 2 and 4 are the add-ins. 2 red cubes show the add-in 2. 4 blue cubes show the add-in 4. And 6 is the sum. Let's look at a second cube train. It shows 4 blue connecting cubes and 2 red connecting cubes. You have 6 connecting cubes in all. How are the 2 cube trains different? Let's find out. The red cubes here are first, and the red cubes here are last. What addition sentence could you use to show this problem? Select each number. That's right. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. What do you notice about the sum in both number sentences? The sum is the same. Both number sentences have the sum of 6. Let's take a closer look. The second cube train is the first cube train turned around. Now let's look at the addition sentences. They are also turned around. The first addition sentence adds 2 and 4 with the sum of 6. The other addition sentence adds 4 and 2 with the same sum of 6. Now let's practice with the...
All right, kiddos, here we go. Algebra, add in any order. Hands on lesson 1.6. Listen and draw. Use the cubes to model the addition sentence. Draw to show your work. We'll do this one together. We're going to draw five blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That equals 5. Same thing as 3 plus 2 equals 5. If we reverse the add-ins and we go to 2 plus 3, it will look like this. One, 2, 3, 4, 5 equals 5. We move this out of the way, we move this out of the way, move that out of the way. The result, the equation is different. We're just switching the add-ins, we're reversing everything. Reverse to here, right? The result's the same. 2 and 3 is 5, and 3 and 2 is 5, okay? Let's move on. Let's go to page 44. We're gonna scroll down here. Let's read this one together. The order of the add-ins changes. What do you notice about the sum? Here's the sum. Think about what you notice here, okay? Two different equations. Add-ins are just reversed here. You can see it right here. 1 plus 3. 1 block plus 3. Now they changed it. 3 plus 1 equals 4. It's the same as 1 plus 3 equals 4. Your sum does not change. The sum does not change. Sum. 1 plus 3 and 3 plus 1. 1 plus 3 and 3 plus 1. The sum does not change. The add-ins change, but the sum doesn't change. Okay? Let's scroll down and do this. Let's look at number 1. That's our focus, and I'll let you guys work on your own here. Let's get number 1 together. All right. We're going to color in 2 blue boxes. That's a 2 there. If you can see this one. Okay. Then we're going to color in 3 red boxes, or cubes. That's why we colored in 3 of those. If we count them all up, we get 5. And now we're going to go to this side to complete this problem number 1. Change the order of the add-ins, color to match, write the addition sentence. We're going to change the order now. Now we're going to color 3 red boxes. You guys color better than me. And 2 blue boxes. I'm going to complete the addition sentence here. It's now going to be 3 plus 2 equals 5. All right. So go ahead and do that same thing for problem number 2 and 3 as you complete page 44. After you complete page 44, you may go on to page 45. Let's look at that one together. Okay, 45, I'm going to read it to you, but I'd like you guys to do it on your own, okay? Look for the structure, use cubes, write the sum. Circle the addition sentences in each row that have the same add-ins in a different order. Okay, so it could be tricky, but make sure you look at the entirety of the problem, okay, and find out which ones have the same add-ins in just a different order. Just kind of we've been going over, okay? That's same for 4, 5, and 6. Let's look at numbers 4 and 5. Let's look at number 6 together. Think smarter. We are right here. I'll circle it. Choose add-ins to complete the addition sentence. Change the order. Write the number. I want to challenge you guys with doing that one on your own. Do the best you can there. Is again, think of the same concepts we were working on, creating equations, okay, and changing and reversing the add-ins. All right. Let's go back up again. Again, you're going to write 2 addition sentences that tell about the picture. You're going to use this picture right here in your book, page 45, and create an equation, 2 equations that will go right here, and reverse the add-ins, okay? So if you really look at it, you're really making one equation, but you're just reversing the add-ins, okay? So go ahead and do that. And we'll scroll up together here. Then I'd like you guys to work on page 46. Draw pictures to match the addition sentences. Write the sum. All right. Draw pictures to match the addition sentences and then write the sum. So draw your pictures. All right. Like we just did in the very beginning when I went over there with you, you can actually take those notes down and on page. The notes that you take in on page 43, you can use to support you throughout the next couple pages, okay? Especially this page 46. And we scroll down here. Problem 10, draw lines to match the same add-ins in a different order. Now you're just matching this to the same, try to find the same add-ins, but they're in a different order. They're reversed, okay? And match those. All right, you guys should be able to do that. You guys are pretty bright first graders. Now we're gonna scroll down to page 47. All right, let's do that together. Again, more algebra. Use the cubes, write the sum, circle the addition sentences in each row that have the same add-ins in a different order, okay? Use cubes to help you out. Circle the addition sentences in each row that have the same add-ins in a different order. All right, again, some of the same concepts we've been doing from the first couple pages, okay? Just more practice, more practice, more practice. This is just you're building those muscles up for later lessons, okay? I think you guys are good here. Read there and do, and then lesson check. This one again, work on, complete if you can. Page 48, circle the addition sentences in the row that have the same add-ins in a different order. Again, you've been doing some of these same concepts throughout the last few previous pages, so go ahead and finish that. Some review, a little bit of review from the previous units. Go ahead and complete that. Number 3, write the number sentence and how many there are. Write the number sentence and how many. There are 5 long strings and 3 short strings. How many strings are there? I'll let you guys work on that one on your own, okay? As well as number 4. Again, so our focus for today is completing in this unit, in this lesson, you're completing page 43, 45, 46, 47, and 48. And on Monday, I would like to begin lesson 1.7. All right. I hope you guys have a good rest of the day and a good 3-day weekend. Enjoy your holiday weekend, and I will see you guys on Monday. And looking forward to Monday getting back and seeing you guys on the Zoom meetings again. Take care and have a good weekend.